Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you do? Hi, I'm Angela Barnes with RE/MAX Top Executives. Let's see if your home will sell for top dollar. I have sold hundreds of homes. I know what we're talking about. When we walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of beauty bark, some fresh flowers, plants, new trim or door paint, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean, and I mean really deep clean, baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscape, change out old light bulbs, and more? Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things do matter. This is a big one, the smell test. I'm sure you didn't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. And I know it sounds gross, but it's true. We love our pets and consider them family. Make sure your house doesn't smell like it. Also, make any necessary repairs and upgrades. Fix any broken or outdated fixtures in your home, such as leaky faucets or any electrical work, or maybe some rotten siding. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that your home sells for top dollar and attracts the right buyers. Give us a call and we'll walk you through it.